Inclined Planes by Xavier Clarke. When I want to put my donkey in the coach of the train, I can't lift him up with my hands. That's insane. So I have to use an inclined plane. This makes it easier for my little donkey to cope, for the inclined plane is a beautiful slope. This is something that does not happen by chance. Inclined planes decrease the force in any circumstance that is needed to move the load over a longer distance. The ramp and the stairway are easy to identify, and the screw that makes strong forces multiply. In what I'm about to say, there's no disgrace. Inclined planes move objects to a higher or lower place. When there is a load situation that you have to face, they can raise a load which is too heavy to be lifted, like pulling a suitcase up a road that is slanted. Like and subscribe to our House of Greatness Jamaica YouTube channel for more educational videos.